Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, almost weekend. Friday, January the 17th, 2025. We have 3 puzzles already solved. 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. It's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9926. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Do not know. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, and it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, insufficient information right now. So 1 over 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here or there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. The 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the L shape upside down. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes in this puzzle. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Connected with that box, should be a 1 or a 2 there. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left, 1 number, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2, double 3 there. Can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. And can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so one box left for the 1 in this triple box supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. So 1 that's left in this triple box for number 2. Then let me see. These two boxes can be is connected with that box. Super so 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that these two boxes can be 2. Because we have a double 2 there. These two boxes can be 5, we have a double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so and this box can also not be a 2. So one box left with the 2 in this W area shape supposed to be there is connected with that box. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 5, that box can be 5, and this box can be 5. So one box left for the 5 in this W area shape supposed to be there. Then. Yeah, let me think. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5 because we have a double 5 there. So this box is definitely a 1. This box can be a 5, we have a double 5 there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. So 2 is also connected with this box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3. Well, let me mark those. 1 and the 3 is connected with that box, so 1 and 3. We need a 2 in this area. This box can be 2, so the only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3. Oh wait, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. But I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 and a 3. This box can be a 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3, but I cannot place a 2 there. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend.